Morning light stretches across endless fields. The harvest is about to begin. A powerful harvester moves forward, collecting ripe, juicy tomatoes. Precision mechanisms carefully separate tomatoes from their vines. As the golden hour descends, the convoy pushes forward, carrying the day's harvest to the state-of-the-art processing facility. Hundreds of ripe tomatoes begin their journey down the massive water flume. Rotating paddles guide the tomatoes efficiently forward.
Powerful water jets begin washing dirt and impurities off every tomato. Soft brushes scrub every surface, ensuring spotless fruit. Air bubbles lift and loosen hidden dirt on the tomatoes. Side nozzles reach every angle for complete cleaning. A final rinse ensures each tomato is perfectly clean. Vibrating conveyors remove excess water before sorting. Automated lines inspect every tomato for quality. Advanced sensors separate the best tomatoes from imperfect ones. Skilled hands ensure smooth operation of the sorting machines. Tomatoes move precisely to be chopped for processing. Choppers transform whole tomatoes into smooth, consistent pulp. The tomato pulp flows seamlessly through the production line. Steam locks in color and flavor during the hot break. Automation carefully maintains optimal temperature and pressure. Machines refine pulp, separating seeds and skins efficiently. Filtration removes fibers, ensuring a smooth and uniform pulp. Diced tomatoes are prepared carefully for the next production stage. Blenders combine ingredients into a smooth, consistent mixture.
Sweet fruits are added to enhance flavor and texture.
The mixture reaches perfect smoothness for packaging. The pulp is spread evenly to form thin sheets for snacks. Sheets move carefully, ensuring even thickness throughout. Sheets are gradually dried to achieve perfect crispiness. Delicate heat transforms pliable sheets into crisp snacks. Precision machines cut the sheets into perfect snack portions.
Each portion is weighed for consistent quality. Empty cans flow steadily toward the filling machines.
Each can receives the perfect amount of tomato puree. Additional ingredients are blended to enhance taste and texture. Agitators ensure every batch achieves perfect smoothness. Sheets move carefully toward the drying ovens. Temperature is precisely monitored for optimal drying. Crisp sheets emerge, ready for packaging.
Machines portion the sheets consistently for final packaging. Air jets ensure all moisture is removed before sealing. Labels are applied quickly, giving cans their identity.
Each bottle is filled with care and precision.
Sealing preserves freshness and product integrity.
Labels are applied swiftly, finalizing the packaging. Cases are stacked neatly, ready for distribution. Finished cases glide smoothly toward the storage area.
Robots stack each pallet with geometric precision.
Forklifts move finished products efficiently across the warehouse. Products are stored neatly, ready for distribution. Final checks ensure every product meets strict standards. Pallets are wrapped tightly to protect them in transit. Trucks are ready to transport products across the country. Automated systems load pallets efficiently into each truck. Freshly packed products begin their journey to customers. Fields stretch endlessly, where every journey first begins.
The factory glows warmly as the day comes to an end.
Lights guide evening shifts as operations continue seamlessly. Workers end their day, proud of today's harvest. Safety is ensured with careful night monitoring. Machines pause, marking the end of a productive day. The journey of fresh tomatoes is captured from above. Products rest safely, awaiting their delivery routes.
The factory stands ready, a hub of precision and care.
Even at night, the factory hums quietly, prepared for tomorrow. From field to table, every tomato completes its journey. Thank you for joining us on this journey from field to table. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications.